Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Glorious Ventures. This is Gloria here. So as part of my recovery journey, I promised to share some of the natural things I am doing to help my body refresh after being unwell. So today I'm making a simple homemade detox drink using pineapple, ginger, turmeric, cloves and hibiscus tea. I didn't use any sugar because I'm trying to avoid sugar at this stage of my recovery. Let me show you how I prepare it and explain why I chose these ingredients. I'm using hibiscus tea in making this drink because hibiscus is hydrating and it gently detoxifies your body. It contains vitamin C and antioxidants. In my previous video, I talked more about hibiscus tea, and if you want to learn more about hibiscus tea, you can go and check that video out. To make this drink, I'm also going to use turmeric, which helps reduce inflammation. It is well known for its natural anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to calm swelling and discomfort in the body. It helps the stomach work better by reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. Turmeric has antioxidants that help the body fight germs and keep your immune system strong. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties may help reduce dark spots, calm irritation, and give the skin a natural glow. Our next ingredient is ginger. The antioxidants in ginger can calm the stomach, help the food move smoothly through the digestive system, and can reduce bloating as well. It also helps reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. This is why it's often used for joint pain or general aches. Ginger has antioxidants that help the body to fight off infections. The next ingredient is cloves. Cloves can reduce bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. They stimulate digestive enzymes, helping your stomach process food better. Cloves reduce inflammation, can ease toothaches, headaches, and minor pains. Cloves have strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. They help your body fight germs and may support immunity and reduce chances of infections. The next ingredient we are using is pineapple, which contains an enzyme that helps break down food, especially proteins, making digestion easier. The peels also hold extra fiber, which supports smooth bowel movements and a healthier gut. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections. The peel also has antioxidants that promote your cells from damage. Both the fruit and the peel help reduce inflammation in the body. Many people use pineapple peel tea for soothing inflammation naturally. The vitamin C and antioxidants in pineapple and its peels help brighten skin and support collagen production. This can promote smoother, healthier looking skin and reduce dullness. Once everything is in the pot, I boil it for 30 minutes, let it simmer, then strain it. It's simple, but it feels really good knowing I am drinking something natural and nourishing. The pineapple adds natural sweetness, so I didn't add any sugar. You can take this tea 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 cup in the evening before going to bed. So I chose these ingredients for my recovery because each one supports the body in a natural and gentle way. They help flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, calm the stomach, and fight gas, all of which are important when you are rebuilding your health after an illness. These ingredients work together to soothe the digestive system, support detoxification, boost immunity, and help the body feel lighter and more balanced. Using natural foods like these is a simple way to give the body a fresh start and speed up recovery without anything complicated. This is just one of the small steps I am taking to support my body during recovery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of the natural things I am using on my wellness journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.